Jeans.
These are from Rag & Bone.
Wicked. How much?
Like
A lot of money, because Rag & Bone
more
are
than
not...
$200.
Oh, for sure.
But
they're expensive.
I mean...
Why do you like them?
I have a couple of pairs now. They don't really stretch out. They fit me pretty well.
Great.
Compared to other brands.
Okay, they fit.
They fit.
Boots.
These are from Marc Jacobs.
Let's have a look. I like that. They are a bit sick for the pavement pounding.
I got them
like
in white too.
Wicked.
Yeah.
So do you know who did your...
This?
Is
I
that...
I got this in California. I think it's like from Brandy Melville or something.
I need to put that down in the
yeah.
thing. Brandy Melville.
Brandy Melville
Who
is
is
like
that?
total Cali girl.
Is it?
Like one size fits all. It's like just...
Brandy Melville.
Yeah.
So they sell
have
a
it in London.
shitload of clothes. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.